Hello NRI friends. Opening an NRI account, which is NRE account, NRO account, or a FCNR account, can be a tedious process if you want to invest in India or transfer money to India. In this video, we will understand how to open those NRI accounts in India, what are the documentary requirements, how to attest those documents, and send it across to respective branches to open your accounts. I am Ved Kashyap from SB NRI, New Age NRI Banking. First, we'll look at the documentary requirement. What are the documents those documents required, and how to attest those documents, and also we'll look at the some real life examples on how to open those accounts. Yeah. So without much delay, let's understand what are the documentary requirements. First document required is your identity proof. Essentially, any document which can be taken as identity proof must contain your photograph, your complete name, your date of birth, your place of birth, issuance date of this document, and expiry date of this document. Now, if you look at the attributes, the best document to take as identity proof is your passport, wherein you have to take photocopy of first page and the last page, which will carry all the relevant details which is required here. The second document is your passport size photograph or a stamp size photograph as required by the respective banks. The third document is your NRI status. Now, NRI status can be proven by your valid visa, your work permit, or a residence permit. If you happen to be a PIO, then a OCI card is a mandatory document to open NRI accounts. The fourth document is PAN card. Now, PAN card is not a mandatory document to open NRE, NRO, or a FCNR account, but yes, it is a mandatory document if you are investing in mutual funds, etc. The fifth document required is your communication address or a overseas address proof. Now let's understand what are the documents which can be accepted as your overseas address proof or a communication address. If this address is available on your passport, which is good enough, that can be accepted as your address proof. Second document is utility bill. Now what can be your utility bill? It could be electricity, water bill, telephone bill, or a gas bill. Or a bank statement wherein you have a relationship of more than 3 months can be accepted as a address proof. A rent receipt can also be accepted as an address proof, subject that your rent agreement is a registered document. A bank letter, your existing banker in India or overseas can also give a letter citing your available address as your current address proof. Your driving license can also be accepted as address proof, subject that it has been issued in either USA or the UK. Your residence permit can also be accepted as an address proof because it's a government issued document. If you happen to be a PIO, then the OCI card is mandatory document along with the list of the documents that we have provided you here. This completes the lists of the common documents which are required for any bank to open your NRI account. The process may differ, but the basic documentation will be amongst these 5 documents. Now we'll go to the topic of attesting these documents. As you understand, to open an account in Indian bank, self-attestation of any document is mandatory. Apart from self-attesting these documents, you also have to get it certified from the following entities. 1. It could be a notary. Second, it could be an Indian embassy or a High Commission of India. Third, it could be a Indian bank's branch in your country. Fourth, any foreign bank which has an Indian presence. Now, either of these people can certify these documents. Since these documents are original, seen and verified, I repeat, these are original, seen and verified, you must carry the original documents while getting these documents certified. Now, if this entire process happens to be a hassle for you, there are branches in India or banks in India which can also open account by self-certification of these documents. In the later part of the video, we'll take some real life examples on how to open accounts by just self-certification of these documents. Now, whenever any bank is accepting your self-certified documents to open an account, there may be a requirement of 1 or 2 additional documents, which could be original address proof from the list of the documents that we have provided you just now. You can submit one of the documents as the original. Now what we have done, we have collected all the documents, we have certified these documents. Now we have to send them to the respective branch to open your NRI account, which can be done either you dispatching a courier to the designated address of that particular bank, or even bank can help you to pick up those documents. And if you happen to be in India, you can walk into any of the branch and submit these documents. All these details are available on our website sbnri.com. You can also visit this website to understand a lot of processes unique to respective banks. And also you can get information on our fixed deposit rates, which keep on changing on a monthly basis, and which of the bank is offering you best NREFD or NROFD rates. Now we'll take up some real life examples of account opening process. First will be Kotak Bank. You visit Kotak website, fill up the account opening form, take a printout of this form, attach all the attested documents, and either you send it or you can ask bank to collect these documents from your respective country. So they have a facility wherein they can get these documents picked up and bring it to their respective center for account opening process. Your account will be in a debit freeze format. This will happen once the documents have arrived at the Kotak facility. Now, to remove this debit freeze, Kotak will prompt you to use their money transfer website, or if you're transferring from your account, they'll ask for the bank statement. Once the account is funded, the debit freeze will be removed and you are good to go for this account. Now the documents that has been attested by the notary or Indian embassy or Indian branch or a foreign branch, if you are opting out of this, then you can send across self-attested documents plus the current address proof, which could be from the list of the list from which we have discussed earlier. That should be original. Plus, the funding should come from your own account. Once this is done, account is activated. Second example is of IndusInd Bank. Now, IndusInd Bank even help you to choose personalized account number. This account opening process is a OTP based, and once this process is completed, which is filling up the form online, taking a printout, pasting your photograph, signing all the relevant places, and attaching all the attested documents, which could be self-attested, supported by the original address proof, and the funding should come from your own account, or the attestation by notary, Indian embassy, Indian bank, or a foreign bank with Indian presence. Once this is done, you send across the document, and once these have arrived at the IndusInd Bank facility, account will be opened on a debit freeze format. Once the account is funded, then this debit freeze will be removed. So friends, now we have understood the process may look tedious, but it's pretty simple if it is followed by step by step. So friends, we have covered the NRI account opening process. If you want us to cover more topics, please leave comments below or visit our website sbnri.com. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press a bell icon to receive latest notification whenever we load more videos. Thank you.